Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix locked Snapchat account. If you ever receive a message saying that your Snapchat account has been locked, then simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If your Snapchat account has been locked, it may mean that there has been some activity that has been detected on your accounts that violates the terms and service or community guideline of Snapchat. In that case, simply open up a web browser and go to support.snapchat.com and search. Once you end up in this page over here, in the search box that appears right under Snapchat support, type in "My account is locked" and search. From the search result, tap on the first option that says "My account is locked." On the next page, you can see lots of information about the issue. It says that if your account has been temporarily locked, you can log in back via the application for Snapchat or simply by tapping on this "Going Here" link. Simply enter your Snapchat credentials, click on "I'm not a robot" and tap on the login button. You'll end up in this Manage My Account page. In the bottom, where multiple of options are displayed, tap on Unlock My Account. Tap on "I'm not a robot" on the next page. Complete the CAPTCHA that has been asked to you and tap Verify. Finally, tap on the Unlock button at the bottom of the page and you have successfully unlocked your account for Snapchat. That is how to fix a locked Snapchat account using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.